Welcome everyone to Declutter It. Our intention in this interaction is to create what we don't want. Outcome: each and everyone will start identifying what specific you do not want anymore. Let's start fresh. Let's start newly. Why we have whatever we have at our home, workplace, or in our storage. Why we have kept it? Obvious answer to this question is we have it to use it now or in the future. We we as a family will be using it now or in the future. Future is uncertain. It's keep changing, updating, giving us surprises. In the past, when we purchased some item for a purpose, some of them we used and some didn't. And we didn't use the way we thought of using them. We do still have several unused articles. Sometimes people gifted us something and we have kept it untouched. It's lying as it is. Time to time it's needed for us to rescan and see what we want to get rid of. Let me make this movement, this interaction to share from my life and allow all of you to get connected to what I recently discarded. When lockdown started, I took that as an opportunity to rescan my home. And it took me around 15 days, 8 hours a day to continue throughout those items which I no longer wanted for the future. One by one, I started scanning what I have, where I have kept it, including papers, brochure, document, stationery, and started segregating it, separating it. Several copies Xerox stored from the past, which was important at that time, not now. I started putting those things in a bin. It was two bucket got filled with legal and no longer needed papers. My children and I played a game of tearing those papers before throwing it out. I have discarded thousands of visiting cards, entire card holder book. When I was looking at those cards, I observed that I have kept them to have it electronically in my phone book. Not all of them are stored in my mobile. Earlier to do that, I had one staff, office, where the person was appointed to do the data feeding, back office work. I have paid the staff salary, office rent, electricity bill, had another computer system for it, telephone line, and most important of all, that I was giving my time and attention for him to do all that. It was huge time and money I have spent in managing it. These visiting card had increased my liability. I could have reused my time and money in building the assets. Now I got rid of it. I no longer have any of those cards, neither that shapes the future now I am living in. I am complete in this area. I have been that way in the past, no more now. It's just few examples There are many things I have discarded, got rid of. Let me also add that I do have practice that time to time I take on observing, scanning what all I have. Do I continue to want to have it? I keep removing which I no longer want to store. At this point of time, it's your opportunity to see and share what you have not used from last 1 year. Please do share with me too. What was so magical in this sharing? What are you discovering from this interaction? Thanking you all for your love and care. Thanking you all for participating.